So how to change the time on a Pentair SuperFlo VS. This one we had a power outage, and so now the time's all wacky on it. So for this one, you're gonna hold down display. It gives you some choices, 12-hour or 24-hour, and then the time. So we wanna select, hold it down. We're gonna keep it on 12-hour. You can change that with the arrow up or down. Our time right here, it thinks it's 10 p.m. It's not 10 p.m. So we're gonna change this. You just hold down the up or the down. Okay, so now we're over here to AM. Okay, and then once we got that set where we want it, just press it again. It's gonna ask you about the screen brightness. That's fine. So now we're on 8:30 a.m. That's how you change the time on a Pentair pool pump.